Chinese state broadcaster CCTV says President Xi Jinping will visit North Korea this week at the invitation of North Korean leader Kim Jong-un. Both men last met at the start of this year in Beijing. This would mark the first visit to the North by a Chinese president in over a decade and comes as both sides share strained ties with the U.S. Pyongyang has been tussling with Washington on denuclearization, while Beijing is embroiled in a bruising trade war.
12 people have been killed in a bus accident in Indonesia. Police say a passenger had tried to gain control of the steering wheel after an argument with the bus driver. The coach then swerved into oncoming traffic on a toll road in West Java, crashing head-on with at least 3 other vehicles. 43 others were injured.
An Italian man who allegedly posed as George Clooney to sell clothes online has been arrested in Thailand after years on the run. Francesco Baldelli was nabbed together with his wife in Pattaya over the weekend. Besides allegedly posing as Clooney, the pair are also wanted in Italy for other scams and frauds. They fled their home country in 2013 and had been dubbed the Italian Bonnie and Clyde after the notorious American bank robbers.